Hi, welcome to Acts of Art. Last night I had the good fortune of having dinner at a friend's house. So of course after dinner I raided their garden shed. They like to garden a lot. So I went through and they said, help yourself, we don't need them. So I grabbed a bunch of flower pots. So, series on flower pot pouring. So for this first painting, what I am going to do is I'm actually going to add some liquid glass into some fluorescent paints. I've never used liquid glass before. Hope I can get it out of the bottle. I thought I took the plastic thing off. Yeah. Oh. It wasn't on the top, it got stuck in the lid. Okay. So, but a good squeeze. Figure it's fluorescent. Might as well try to gloss it up a little extra. Make sure those are stirred up real nice. The fluorescent paints I'm using are sort of a combination of Master's Touch and Artist Loft. Yellow, pink, and green. Okay, now I washed these out last night. I washed all the ones as soon as I got home because I knew I'd want to be using them. So I want to start with a little black. And let's go for some green. A little more black. Put a little pressure on the center, from under the center of the canvas. Help it flow a little bit. Nice and slow. I got a little water bucket sitting on the side. Suggestion from one of my friends. I'm going to move these paints out of the way so I don't knock them over, hopefully. I'm going to do some gentle tipping. This is a 16 by 20 canvas, by the way. Come back to the middle. Okay.